Hello everyone. Today we are solving problems on nth differentiation, successive differentiation. Already in session number 4 we have solved few sums on the same type, and now today we have to solve few more sums. So sum number 4. This is sum number 4. Find nth derivative of x upon x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. Given function, we have to find out partial fractions of this function and then applying nth derivative formula and find nth derivative of given polynomial function. So solution for this, let us assume y is equal to given function x upon x minus 2 x minus 3. This can be written as a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x minus 2 plus c upon x minus 3, and then taking LCM of right hand side, that is nothing but denominator of left hand side, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, a into x minus 2, x minus 3 plus b into x minus 1, x minus 2 plus c into x minus 1 into x minus, okay. Denominators are equal, hence numerators must be equal. Hence x is equal to, we can write a into x minus 2, x minus 3 plus b into x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 3, x minus 3 plus c into x minus 1, x minus 2. Now to find the values of arbitrary constants a, b, c, this is suppose equation number 2 and this is equation number 1. Put x is equal to 1 in equation 2. This gives x is equal to 1, we have to put here. 1 is equal to, this term becomes 0, this term becomes 0. Only remains this term. A into 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 1, 2, and 1 is equal to 2a. This implies a is equal to half. Let us put x is equal to 2 in equation number 2. Put x is equal to 2 in equation number 2. Hence, now if we substitute x is equal to 2, first term becomes 0 and third term becomes 0. Only remains second term. Hence, 2 is equal to b into 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 3, minus 1. Hence, b is equal to minus 2. Now, put x is equal to 3 in equation number 2. Hence, 3 is equal to c into 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 1. Hence, c is equal to 3 upon 2. These are values of arbitrary constants. Now, we have to put these arbitrary constants in equation 1, so that we should get partial fractions of given function. Hence, y is equal to 1 upon 2 divided by x minus 1 plus minus 2 divided by x minus 2 plus 3 upon 2 divided by x minus. Now find nth derivative of both sides. Yn is equal to 1 upon 2 nth derivative of 1 upon x minus 1 plus minus 2 into nth derivative of 1 upon x minus 2 plus 3 by 2 into nth derivative of 1 upon x minus 3. Now x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3, all these are linear polynomials. So we can apply standard formula to find the nth derivatives of these three functions. You know this formula, nth derivative of 1 upon ax plus b with respect to x to the power n. This is equal to minus 1 to the power n factorial a to the power n upon ax plus b to the power n plus 1. Yn is equal to 1 upon 2. Now nth derivative of 1 upon x minus 1. Coefficient of x is 1, that is a, and constant term is minus 1, that is b. Put here then minus 1 to the power n into n factorial as it is. Then a to the power n. A is coefficient of x, that is 1. 1 to the power n divided by ax plus b means this polynomial x minus 1 to the power n plus 1. Okay, this is nth derivative of this one. Then minus 2 nth derivative of 1 upon x minus 2, that is minus 1 to the power n factorial 1 to the power n divided by x minus 2 to the power n plus 1 plus nth derivative of this 3 by 2 minus 1 to the power n factorial 1 to the power n divided by x minus 3 to the power n plus 1. Hence yn is equal to minus 1 to the power n factorial taken common into bracket 1 upon 2 x minus 1 to the power n plus 1. Okay, plus minus 2 divided by x minus 2 to the power n plus 1 plus 3 by 2 divided by x minus 3 to the power n plus 1. This is answer. Let us solve sum number 5. Find nth derivative of 4x upon x plus 1 into x minus 1 its square. Assume y is equal to 4x divided by x plus 1 into x minus 1 its square. This is equal to, we can write a upon x plus 1 plus b upon x minus 1 plus c upon x minus 1 square. Okay, now taking LCM of right hand side, that is nothing but denominator of left hand side, x plus 1 into x minus 1 square, a into x minus 1 square plus b into x plus 1 into x minus 1 plus c into x plus 1. Okay, now denominators of right hand side and left hand side are equal, so numerators must be equal. Hence 4x is equal to a into x minus 1 square plus b into x plus 1 into x minus 1 plus c into x plus 1. Consider this is equation 1 and this is suppose equation number 2. In equation 2, if we substitute x is equal to minus 1, put x is equal to minus 1 in equation 2, that gives value of arbitrary constant a. Hence 4 into minus 1, that is minus 4, is equal to a into x we are replacing by minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, its square, that is 4. Hence a is equal to, value of a is minus 1. Let us put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1 in equation 2. Put x is equal to 1. Hence 4 into 1, that is 4. If we substitute x is equal to 1 in this equation, then this term becomes 0, this term only. C into 1 plus 1, that is 2. Hence C is equal to 4 upon 2, that is 2. And now put x is equal to any value other than these two values, and that will be smallest value. Put x is equal to 0 in equation 2. As well as we have to put a is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to 2 also, with x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, left hand side becomes 0, is equal to a is minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1 square plus b into minus 1, 0 plus 1, 1, and 0 minus 1, minus 1, plus c is, value of c is 2, 2 into 0 plus 1, 1. Simplify this and get the value of c. So 0 is equal to minus 1 minus b plus 2. We can take b on left hand side. Minus 1 plus 2, that is 1. Hence b is equal to 1. C is equal to 2. Put these values in equation number 1 and then you can apply formula for nth derivative of given function. Hence y is equal to minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus b. B is 1. 1 upon x minus 1 plus c. C is 2. 2 upon x minus 1 its square. Okay. Now nth derivative of y, that is yn. Yn is equal to minus nth derivative of 1 upon x plus 1 with respect to x to the power n, plus nth derivative of 1 upon x minus 1 with respect to x to the power n, plus 2 into nth derivative of 1 upon x minus 1 its square dx to the power n. Okay. Now to find nth derivatives of first term and second term, we can apply this formula of nth derivative. Nth derivative of 1 upon ax plus b to the power x raised to n is equal to minus 1 to the power n factorial a to the power n upon ax plus b to the power n plus 1. And to find nth derivative of this, we have to apply this formula. Nth derivative of 1 upon ax plus b to the power m is equal to, this is equal to minus 1 to the power n m into m plus 1 m plus 2 up to m plus n minus 1 into a to the power n upon ax plus b to the power n plus 1. Hence yn is equal to, we can write minus nth derivative of this minus 1 to the power n factorial, coefficient of x is 1, so a is 1, divided by x plus 1 to the power n plus 1. Okay. Plus now nth derivative of this minus 1 to the power n factorial divided by x minus 1 to the power n plus 1, plus nth derivative of this by using this formula minus 1 to the power n m into m plus 1. We have to substitute values of m plus 1, m plus 2 up to m plus n minus 1 into a to the power n upon ax plus b to the power n plus 1. Okay. Now we have to replace m by 2. If we replace m by 2, this becomes 2 into 3 into 4 into up to 2 plus n minus 1, means n plus 1. Starting from 2 up ends at n plus 1. Then this becomes n plus 1 factorial. Okay. So yn can be written as yn is equal to minus of minus 1 to the power n factorial divided by x plus 1 to the power n plus 1 plus minus 1 to the power n factorial upon x minus 1 to the power n plus 1 plus, now nth derivative of this minus 1 to the power n plus 1 factorial. A is coefficient of x and coefficient of x is 1. So 1 to the power n is 1 divided by x minus 1 to the power m plus n, not n plus m. Okay, make this correction, n plus m, this formula. So m is 2, n plus 2. This is nth derivative of 1 upon x minus 1 square. M is 2, n plus m, that is n plus 2. Yn is equal to this. If you want, you can take minus 1 raised to n common, and n factorial also you can take common. Since you know n plus 1 factorial can be written as, this is equal to n plus 1 into n factorial. N plus 1 into n factorial. Okay. So this can be written as minus 1 to the power n factorial into bracket minus 1 upon x plus 1 to the power n plus 1 plus 1 upon x minus 1 to the power n plus 1 plus minus 1 raised to n, and n factorial is taken common. So n plus 1 divided by x minus 1 to the power n plus 2. This is final answer. Yn is equal to this one. Here we have to take 2, which is value of c here, from here. Here also we have to take 2 in multiplication. So in answer we have to take 2 here. So this is answer. Let us solve sum number 6. Find nth derivative of x square plus 4x plus 1 upon x cube plus 2x square minus x minus 2. Y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 1 divided by x cube plus 2x square minus x minus 2. This can be written as simplify denominator x square plus 4x plus 1 divided by taking x square common from first two terms, x square into bracket remains x plus 2. Now from these two terms we can take minus 1 common, minus 1 into x plus 2. Okay, this can be written as x square plus 4x plus 1 divided by x square minus 1 into x plus 2. Because x plus 2 bracket is taken common, now into bracket remains x square minus 1. Again we can find linear factors of x square minus 1. This is equal to x square plus 4x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 into x minus 1. So x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 2. This can be written as, in terms of partial fractions, a upon x plus 1 plus b upon x minus 1 plus c upon x plus 2. Okay. LCM of left hand side, right hand side, that will be denominator of left hand side. Hence x plus 1 into x minus 1 into x plus 2, a into x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1 into x plus 2 plus c into x plus 1 into x minus 1. Okay, denominators are same, hence numerators must be equal. So we can write x square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to a into x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1 into x plus 2 plus c into x plus 1 into x minus 1. Consider this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Put x is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. This gives value of arbitrary constant a. X is minus 1 square, that is 1 plus 1, 2 minus 4, that is equal to minus 2, is equal to a into minus 1 into minus 1 plus 2. Simplify this and get the value of a. A is equal to 2 upon 2, that is 1. This is the value of arbitrary constant a. Now we have to find out value of arbitrary constant b. Put x is equal to 1 in equation 2. Hence 1 square, that is 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 4, 6. 6 is equal to b. This term becomes 0 and this term also becomes 0. Only we have to put value of x in this term. b into 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3. Hence b is equal to also 1. Now find value of c. To find value of c, put x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 in equation 2. Hence left hand side becomes minus 2 square, that is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8 minus 3 is equal to c into minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. Minus 1 into minus 3, 3. 3c is equal to minus 3. Hence c is equal to minus 1. This is value of arbitrary constant c. Put values of arbitrary constants in equation number 1. Hence y is equal to a upon x plus 1, that is 1 upon x plus 1. Then b upon x minus 1 plus b is also 1 upon x minus 1, and c is minus 1 upon x plus 2. Okay, Now find nth derivative. Yn is equal to, applying which formula? You know this formula. Since nth derivative of 1 upon ax plus b is equal to minus 1 to the power n factorial a to the power n upon ax plus b to the power n plus 1. Apply this formula. For all these three terms, we can take minus 1 raised to n into n factorial common. So let us, okay, nth derivative of 1 upon x plus 1 plus nth derivative of 1 upon x minus 1 minus nth derivative of 1 upon x plus 2. Now, applying this formula, yn can be written as yn is equal to minus 1 to the power n factorial, coefficient of x is 1, that is a is 1, 1 to the power n is 1, divided by x plus 1 to the power n plus 1 plus minus 1 to the power n factorial divided by x minus 1 to the power n plus 1 minus 1 to the power n factorial divided by x plus 2 to the power n plus 1. Then you can take minus 1 raised to n factorial common throughout all these three terms. Yn is equal to minus 1 to the power n factorial into bracket 1 upon x plus 1 to the power n plus 1 plus 1 upon x minus 1 to the power n plus 1 minus 1 upon x plus 2 to the power n plus 1. This is yn, and this is final answer. Okay, thank you all. If there is any correction in simplification, then please correct it, and you can give your suggestions in comment box if any correction is required. Okay, thank you all.